Himeji Castle. Himeji Castle is Japan national treasure.
The castle is also known as Hakuro-jō or Shirasagi-jō, White Egret Castle, White Heron Castle,
Because of its brilliant white exterior. Himeji Castle was built as a fort in year 1333.
It is rebuilt as Himeyama Castle in 1346.
No, retired. Home.
The castle have survived World War II bombing and the Great Hanshin earthquake. You have to take off your shoes when entering the main castle keep. The floor are wooden and the staircase are very steep.
This is a hiding place for soldier. It's too small for me. Another round of steep staircase. This wooden frame shows the pillars of the castle.
The castle is so beautiful with blue sky and sunset.
The whole Himeji city can be seen from the castle.